So I got a couple of ZOX today. I got one that's called I Got Your Six for a friend of mine that's in the military. It's pretty cool. These all come with, these are the regular straps. And they'll all come with a little card in them. And this one says I got your six. Means I got your back. It says every day in the United States, 22 veterans succumb to suicide, losing their personal battle to invisible wounds of war. It's a pretty strong message, and I know that she'll like this. It's got the American flag, part of the Constitution, and on the flip side it says I got your six. So she can choose to wear it whichever way she wants, and they all have a unique number. I guess they only make a certain batch of each one, and then discontinued. So that's pretty cool. But I don't think it'll have a problem fitting. It doesn't look, too big, too small. So put the card back in here. I ordered 3 of the regular straps and one that's called Imperial. All 3 of the straps were $10. It wasn't difficult to get a 10% off coupon either, just for signing up by email, and it was free shipping that came from California to Florida in 3 days. So that was really cool. Alright, this is another one I got. I believe it was titled Hope. It's got the pink ribbons. It's for a friend of mine that battled and survived cancer, and continues to battle. So, thankful it's got. It's pretty nice. There's a card inside. It says Hope. And see on the back of this one, spreading hope one wrist at a time. That's pretty cool. So, it's kind of got the ribbons on the outside, and again on the reverse, it says Hope. Both of these started with, have a 4-digit number that starts with 2. I'm not sure exactly what the lot number is. I mean, to me, I guess it's kind of cool, it's kind of unique. But it wouldn't matter really to me how many are out there. More the merrier. Cool little bags, too. Alright, and then this is the one that I ordered for me. Kind of like the colors, and it had a cool saying, too, so. Let's see. Well, this one has a 4-digit number, starts with a 0, so, and then it's 260, so it's number 260 of however many they're gonna make, and it says, make your move. And the back says, make moves, not excuses. I think that's awesome. That's, probably people relate different things to it, but having that around your wrist, if it means something personal to you, it's pretty cool. And I really liked the colors. Again, it's pretty true to what it looked online. I think it's really cool. And then so it's got all the stuff on the outside, and then again you can flip it inside out and have that message. But just me personally, I'd like to keep the message on the inside, and have the colors on the outside. So let's see. It's a good fit. I like it. Not too big, not too small. Yeah, I like it a lot. It's soft. Can't feel the stitching. Doesn't bother me right now. I guess you'd have to wear it a little while and see. I like it. It's pretty cool. So again, all those were $10. So, and then this other one. Oh, before I forget too, this. I just think it's cool. It's, how everything's mass-produced and impersonal at time. This is legitimately a pink, I'm assuming, Post-it note that handwritten thank you. When I opened the package, it was stuck to the one that says I got your six, the one that's brings suicide prevention of the military to light. I don't know if that was the particular one that they stuck it to, or if it was just for the order in general, but I thought it was awesome to begin with, and then especially when that's the package that it was attached to, so I think it's cool. Alright, so this one, I guess it's called like the Imperial. You can get different kinds. It's in like this pretty cool box. It was $15. So, they come in all different sizes. I think there were 3 or 4 sizes. This one is the small, 175 millimeters. So you can go on there and print something out and measure, and I didn't do that because I'm pretty sure that this one's going to be the one that fits me. So let's see if it slides. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. That is cool. Alright, so it doesn't slide out. It goes like this. Wow. That is fan. You know what? It's all about the packaging sometimes. That is pretty cool. Oh, that's awesome. That's really cool. If they actually showed this on the website, I didn't see that, but that message is exactly what I need right now. Here's to the future. I'm done with the past. That's awesome. And down at the bottom it says experience everything. This is really cool. Really cool. And again, I went for colors and the words on the inside, and just found the one that I thought was a good match. Looking at it, I really hope it's not too small. I think it's going to be alright. So that's just the colors on one side. You want to do that. And on this side is the original message that I thought was pretty cool, is carry on. I mean, that's all you can do most of the time. And again, it's got a 4-digit that starts with a 0, so this is less than 1,000 already, 944. So again, I don't know how many they make, and to me, honestly, again, it's unique, but yeah, that's cool. More people that would have this message, the better. So let's see. So I usually pride myself on being slightly intelligent, and I just had to Google how to put this bracelet on. I don't want to hold it against ZOX. It could just be me, but it feels really secure, which is cool. Yeah. Lighter. It's not too heavy. It's a really good fit, but yeah. I don't know. This is the small. I have kind of small wrist it is, so I knew to order the small. I guess like I said, you can print it out and try if you want, but yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it.